Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Imran Qayyum from Haiko Poultry Houses Consultant and Haiko School of Livestock and Poultry Education. Now we are in fifth module of our ventilation course, and now this session is presentation session from my students because in last modules we provide a chance to our students to present uh, the different topics that they learn from this course, and we promote our students, and we want that they will show their presentation, they will show their learning, they and they must purify and build their skill of presentation, that what they learn and they must present by their own words. So today, Muhammad Mahad is with us. He's our very brilliant student, and the topic is the smoke test. Yes, Mr. Mahad, welcome, Mr. Mahad, for today presentation.
Thank you very much. My name is Mohammad Mahad and I'm studying DVM. I am in 7th semester right now from Rifa College of Veterinary Sciences. And today my topic for presentation is smoke test, why it is used and how it is beneficial for our environmental control poultry shed. So I will start now. So that's our topic today, smoke test for leakage identification and negative pressure determination. Smoke test is one of the most important test, confirmatory test in our environmental control poultry house, so that we can check is there any leakage in our house, uh, what are the faulty areas from which there has been some temperature compensation, as well as we can as well as we can check the negative pressure of our poultry house. Basically, the negative pressure of our house actually depends on the width of the house. For example, if there is 20 meters, then the pressure would be around 25 to 30 pascals, and so on. So, if we first talk about the leakage identification, smoke cannons or smoke sticks are used around the inlets, and basically the inlets are at this specific angle around 45 to 60 degrees, and when the smoke is it's introduced into the house, it should go right up to the top center roof of the house, and then it just curls around the house and distributes uniformly. If the smoke does not do that and it just falls right after the introduction, it means that the negative pressure is way too low and we have to manage it. Similarly, if the smoke just goes right to the next adjacent wall of the ventilation shed, it means that the negative pressure is way too high and we have to lower it. So if that's the main determination point of negative pressure. And if we talk about leakage, the main problematic areas of leakage in our house are doors, some fan shutters, and the ceiling joints. As we all know that the house ventilation shed house is way larger, and you cannot just have one ceiling for that. There are many ceiling joints in it, and when there are joints, there are some problems with these joints, and there may be some leakage through that. In recent research, there have been some introduction of IR thermal image processing cameras, as you can see in this picture, and they are very helpful in identification of temperature differences. You can see this picture right now where my pointer is. Where there is blue areas, it will show that there has been some leakage and the temperature has been compromised in this area. Similarly, you can see these four pictures. These two have shown that the leakage has been through the doors, the opening of the doors and the lower compartments of door. And in these two pictures, you can see that the fan shutters are facing some issues with leakage around the corners and also with their central shutters. So now, what are the solutions and how can we reduce these problems? How can we rectify it? So here are some points. So the first point is that we have to make sure that our house doors, fan shutters are completely sealed and they are properly insulated, and so that we will make sure that the negative pressure we want to achieve will be properly achieved. So this is the main point, that we have to insulate these areas right now, right, these areas. And the best way to do it is by making a paste of the wet sand and just paste it around here, around the doors, leakage areas. Similarly with these corners. So thank you very much. That's all from my side.
Yes, very good, Mr. Mahad. Your presentation is really very informative, and it will helps our farmers, our supervisors, our veterinary doctors, if they can perform that smoke test, because uh, we prepare and lot of videos, and by emphasize and especially on this smoke test, because in my all lectures you remember that in all my videos I emphasize on this smoke test, that you must perform the smoke test in your house, and you can find the leakage of your house, and you can find the what is the suitable negative pressure. Before I tell you, negative pressure is the difference between outside and inside pressure, and also I will tell you that how the pressure create in the house is exertion of the fans. When the fan runs, there's a vacuum in the house. At that time, we open our inlet, a small opening, and we check the air movement by the smoke, and smoke we can use the smoke generators or smoke sticks or any kind of smoke solution, that we can find the air movement in the house. Even we the main very important thing is that we perform that smoke test on the brooding temperature of the house. Yes, 33 degree Celsius. When we maintain the 33 degree Celsius temperature in the house, after that we perform the smoke test and for the winter ventilation, and smoke comes from the inlet of the house, and we check that the smoke hit the center of the house. After that, it will drop to the floor side of the house, because the distance from the inlet to the center of the house, that time the cold air should be maintain their same temperature when it will go down to the floor side in the house, and that cold air temperature will be the same of the room temperature. So many people ask me that why you bring the cold air. We bring the cold air, but at specific phenomena. And also you will watch our video of the how the minimum ventilation occurs, how the minimum ventilations in your house, what is the proper procedure of the minimum ventilation. So this is the proper procedure that the air comes from the inlet on a certain speed more than 5 meter per second airspeed, and then it goes to the center of the house, not to the birds, because chicks, chill factor of the chicks is 8 degrees centigrade. So if the cold air direct hit the birds, it can generate many diseases and many problems for you and your economics also. Yes, because your heaters works a lot, so you will spend the diesel, you will spend the more money, and for the uniform and optimal temperatures, you will perform according to the procedure, according to the SOPs of the smoke test. So I hope that you will learn very well, because we produce a lot of smoke test videos for yours. So please watch the videos and comments us. And if you need any advice, please please comment and tell us that, and we will answer you, inshallah. So thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Mahat, from Rifa University, and our student of ventilation course. Thank you very much. So great. Allah Hafiz.